And after witnessing slowdown led by COVID lockdowns, luxury car players in India are now seeing a strong revival in demand. Luxury, even if expensive, have many takers. Now, Germany's car maker Mercedes-Benz has locked record sales in India and it's seeing luxury car market reviving. Company says spike in order is driven by newly launched C-Class model that is starting at 55 lakh rupees at showroom. To talk more on this, we are joined by Santosh Iyer, VP Sales and Marketing of Mercedes-Benz India. Good morning to you. First of all, how are you so hopeful when there are so many challenges facing the economy here?
See, there are two ways to look at it. One is something which is momentary, which is the stock market, because a couple of weeks back, it was in the best ever peak also. So I think these kind of cyclical topics will continue, and we are living in an economy and in a world which is highly volatile. But if you look at the India story, and this is where we have a very strong conviction that we are looking at India on a long run to be really growing leaps and bounds. We see the consumer spending on a very positive note. And that is irrespective of what's happening on the world order. The stock market also was able to absorb the European crisis right now in a much better fashion. Of course, it doesn't mean that we will have a stable market. The volatility will remain, but the long run, with the kind of infrastructure growth that we see, the consumption that's come to the Indian luxury car market, especially to Mercedes-Benz, and the bookings that we see in our order bank. We have more than 5,000 cars booking, and mostly all the cars are 4 to 5 months of waiting period. That clearly shows that there is a shift towards consumption. And it also is a sign that the economy is strong, just that these momentary blips will be there for quite some time, and we have to live by it and learn to live by it also.
So if you're so bullish, what are your plans? Are you bullish about Indian market and how?
Sumit, we follow the Jan-December year, and if you see, we started the year in the first quarter with the S-Class and the Maybach launch. The second car is the C-Class, which is again a high-volume product for us in the luxury segment, a very important one for us. Followed by end of the year, we have already committed that India will see the first locally produced luxury electric car, which is the EQS. So this takes the tally to 3. But this year is an exciting, we already said this is going to be the best ever year for Mercedes-Benz India. So we have 7 more products apart from this 3 that we will introduce in the coming 6 to 7 months time. So it's a busy time for us. Products is what excites the market. We have seen it's quite successful for us in the past. And we will bring more and more cars in the next 6 to 8 months time, taking the tally to total 10 launches for this year.
Well, thanks for joining us this morning and getting us all these important details and perspective.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.